In this video, I'll show you how to change the playback speed on your TikTok videos. If this video helps you, please consider subscribing and giving this video a like so others can find it. The first thing we're gonna do is to open up the TikTok app. After you find the video that you want to adjust the playback speed for, go ahead and select the share icon right here at the bottom right. Now at the bottom, scroll all the way to the right until you see the playback speed option. In here, you will have 4 different options. The first one is going to be 0.5. This will make your TikTok videos play slower. Normal will play the video as normal, and then 1.5 and 2x will speed up your videos. Another quick tip that you can use to speed up your videos is to tap on the right side of the screen and hold it, and as you can see, the video will start playing faster. Hope that helps.